Welcome to the online teaching class. This is Vrinda Mathur, Government College, Dudu, Associate Professor English, Government College, Dudu. Now in the earlier video, I had discussed with you, this lecture of mine is addressed to all the students of BA Part 1, whether you are in the science faculty, whether you are in the arts faculty, or whether you are in the commerce faculty. It is addressed to students of BA Part 1. Now in the earlier video, I had discussed with you the syllabus of General English. Now today, I am taking up question number 3. Question number 3, as I had told you, is comprehension. Comprehension is the most important question because it is carrying 30 marks. Grammar and usage you have done in school, so we can discuss it later also, so that your memory stays fresh and you can do the exercises happily. And phonetics I will be discussing with you in the classrooms if possible, because I have to do a lot of writing work in that blackboard work. But question number 3 is comprehension, and I'm opening my series of lectures with comprehension. So comprehension is question answers, and there are 5 chapters prescribed for you. The 5 chapters prescribed for you are: first is Voice of the Unwanted Girl by Sujata Bhatt. This is a poem by Sujata Bhatt. Then you have a story, short story, The Night Train at Deoli. This is written by Ruskin Bond. Then you have an essay, The Birth of Khadi. The title of the essay is The Birth of Khadi. This is written by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. The 4th essay is Jawaharlal Nehru's famous speech, A Tryst with Destiny. Jawaharlal Nehru's speech, A Tryst with Destiny. And then you have APJ Abdul Kalam's vision for 2020. So you have these 5 essays and short stories and poems prescribed for your comprehension question. So they will give you generally, how is the question? How do they give the question? In the comprehension part, they give you, it is divided into 2 parts. In the first part, question number 3A, they give you a general question, right? Which covers the entire chapter, whether it is a poem or whether it is. You have to write a short answer, and it is of about 5 marks. In this, you have to write a short answer, and it generally covers the entire chapter. In the second part of the comprehension, the B part, they give you a passage and you have to answer questions from that passage. This is of 10 marks. So 20 and 10, 30 marks. The paper is divided into, the comprehension part is divided into 2 parts. One is the general question from all the 5 chapters, and one that is of 20 marks, 4 marks each. And the second part is a passage from one of these chapters, and you have questions addressed to this passage, and answers are there in the passage. So today I am opening the comprehension part with the short story, The Night Train at Deoli. This is Ruskin Bond's short story, The Night Train at Deoli. Now listen to it carefully and you will be able to do the questions in class. Alright? I will stop here for a moment. Just please give me a second. I will stop here for a moment. क्या कह रहे हो? So this is the Ruskin Bond's famous short story, The Night Train at Deoli. Now Ruskin Bond is a very famous English writer, and he has written many short stories and essays and novels and books for children, right? Some of his famous collection of short stories are called The Night Train at Deoli and Other Stories. The time stops at Shamli, and Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra. So Ruskin Bond is a very famous and a very well-read Indian writer of short stories and essays, and he won the Sahitya Academy Award for English writing in India in 1992. So this short story is a very sweet short story of young teenage love. Alright, so in my next video I will continue discussing this short story and the questions that follow. Thank you.